Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and today when I got home from work, I had my Sephora order already. This is from the spring VIB sale. I am super excited about what's in this box. Let's get into it. The first thing I have is this Sephora Favorites. I have never bought one of these little Sephora Favorite bags. They have Sephora Favorites in them. They're little sample sizes of different products, so I thought I would try one. It was only $10, and it comes with a card that gives you 15% off of the full-size products that are in the bag. I have some Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I absolutely love this brand. I picked up one of their conditioners. Oh, it smells so good at Marshall's and fell in love. So I'm looking forward to use this. I have Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I have had a little sample of this before. That as well is really good. I have a little sample of Burberry perfume. This is Her. Sometimes these little samples are so hard to spray. Meh. That smells okay. I have Too Faced Lip Injection. Instantly Sexy Lips That Last. That is a little teeny tiny sample. That smells good. I don't know exactly what that smell is, but it smells good. I have a little teeny tiny sample of NARS blush. This is Orgasm, of course. I do believe that this is their famous cult favorite blush. That's what it looks like. Very pretty. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And the last thing in that little bag is Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. For all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. That's cool. Not a bad little bag for $10. And then I got the Sol Janeiro Hair Brazilian Dry Shampoo. Why? Because once again I was influenced by an influencer. My friend Maria over at Nightstar Beauty. I will have her link down in the description if you want to go check her out. She does all kinds of luxury makeup hauls, luxury makeup looks. She's all about the luxury makeup. She does amazing looks, and I love to listen to her describe the product. She uses these amazing descriptive words. It's just awesome. And along with her New Zealand accent, you can't go wrong. So go check out Maria. But Maria was telling me that she tried this dry shampoo and how much she loved it. And I have not found a dry shampoo that I like. This was $25 on the Sephora website, and I'm just going to spray a little bit. Yep, that smells really good. And I've heard good reviews about this Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Step 1 Primer. It is supposed to be 24 hours, and it is smoothing base. And this retails for $17. And of course, I'll be trying all of these products out and letting you know how they worked for me. And then I picked up this Makeup Forever HD Undetectable Stay True Foundation. I've heard lots of good reviews about this too. And I am on a foundation journey. I'm trying to embrace the foundation. I think that's going to be a good color for me. This was $43 on the Sephora site, and of course I was able to get the discount for the sale. I picked up this Tower 28 Dream Team Cream Blush and Lip Gloss Duo. And this retails for $26, and it says that it is a $34 value. And this is what it looks like. You can see I've already stuck my finger in that blush. As soon as I opened the box, I couldn't wait. It's such a pretty color. I am not used to using a lot of cream blushes, so I want to play around with this, and I know that the Tower 28 formula is really nice. That blends out really well. That's very pretty. Very pretty. I like that. And then the lip gloss. The blush is Magic Hour. It's a rosy nude blush, and the lip gloss is called Pistachio. There's what that looks like. That's pretty, and it's very comfortable. Not sticky at all. I don't know why I was expecting it to be kind of thick and heavy, but it's not. It feels very light and moisturizing. And then I picked up this little Natasha Denona mini Biba palette. I'm shocked at how small this is. This was $25. Look at how tiny it is. It's a very pretty palette, but I did not get this for me, so I will not be trying this out. This is for Miss Caitlin. You may or may not have heard me talk about Caitlin. Caitlin did come over once and shopped my stash for me. I need to have her come over and do that again. I actually need to do a shop my stash video, but anyway, Miss Caitlin wanted this palette, so I picked that up for her. Hi, Biscuit, you need some makeup? You're just being in the way. And I got a little Watermelon Glow Recipe PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. That was one of my free samples. My other free sample was this replica Madison somebody perfume, because I'm not even going to try and say that and say it wrong. Shall we spray some more and see what it smells like? Where am I going to spray this at that I don't already have? Nope. Don't like it. All of the rest of the products that I got in my Sephora VIB haul are LYS Beauty. They are a female black-owned beauty brand, and they are considered to be clean beauty at Sephora, and they are extremely reasonable. I'm super excited because I do have their bronzer. I got their bronzer and their face primer in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. So I'm really excited to try these other products that I got from them because I love the bronzer. The first product that I got is this Triple FX setting powder, and it is in the shade Resilience. They have 6 shades, and this retails for $18. I love their packaging. It's so unique and fun, and it comes with a mirror, and that's what the setting powder looks like. It feels very soft. Looks very brightening. This is a translucent powder. Next up we have a highlighter. This is Aim High, and it is in the shade Genuine, which is a rose gold, and this retails for $19. And also they have the bunny on their products, so they are a cruelty-free brand. Same packaging, very cute. Has the mirror in it, and look at how blinding that mama is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Let's put it right over top of that blush. Ooh. Very, very pretty. I love it. That'll go good with that rose colored blush. And I also got one of the LYS blushes. This is Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush. And this is in the shade Self Love, which is perfect for me. Y'all know I'm always talking about how we need some self-love. This is pretty too. I love the matte finish so that your fingerprints don't show up on it. These other packages you can see where the fingerprints show up. This retails for $16, and look at how pretty. I'll put that on the other hand. Ooh, I'm really excited to try that out. Look at how pretty that is. That blends out so well. I love it. I have not really used any cream blushes. Did I say that already when I was talking about the Tower 28? And the last item is another foundation. This is Triple Fix Serum Foundation. It's another serum foundation. I'm pretty sure that the Makeup Forever is not a serum foundation. And I got the shade MN5. I have neutral undertones. And this as well is in the triangle shape. Super cute. It has a pump. I didn't even try the Makeup Forever. I was too excited about getting to all the products. Let's see. That's what the color looks like. Very pretty. I think that's going to be a good match, although it looks really good on the monitor, but on my hand it looks like it might be a little dark, but of course it's April. We're getting ready to go into summertime, so my skin will change. So I'm pretty sure that that's going to work well for me. Let's try the Makeup Forever since I skipped right over that and didn't even try it. I'm terrible about picking out colors. This has a pump on it as well. We'll put this over on the other hand. Pumped out a little bit too much, but I don't know about this one. That might be okay, but it looks, does it look a little yellow? I don't know. We'll see. We shall see what happens. Those are all the items in my spring Sephora VIB haul. I'm looking forward to doing a video with all of the LYS products together. And then, we'll try out the Tower 28 and the Makeup Forever in another video. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you can go on to Sephora before the VIB sale ends and get you one of these LYS compacts that's super shiny. Then that way when you go fishing or hiking or camping or whatever it is that you're doing, you can look beautiful, but you also can signal for help. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.